Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful fish step by step. Let's start drawing. Now I'm drawing the whole body of the fish. The fish's face.
Fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
Now I'm drawing the fish's tail.
Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
A beautiful eye.
Sticks and stones will
The fish has two wings, top and bottom.
all fall down. Sticks and stones will all
I marked the head and body.
my fair lady.
Now I'm drawing the middle fin of the fish,
Clay, wood and clay, wood and clay.
and then I will draw the many scales on the fish's body.
My fair lady.
Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Wash away, wash away.
Let's start coloring.
Wood and clay will wash
Brown color on the whole head of the fish.
fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with
Same color on the fins.
my fair lady.
In the middle wing of yellow color. I'm giving the fish a beautiful yellow color on its back. That is its tail.
Bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and
Wow, that's great!
bend and bow, my
Green color. I am coloring the entire body of the fish green.
falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!
Down,